Ladies, all right, let's be honest. Sometimes if we feel like a topic is taboo or has a stigma attached to it, even if we know it's critical to our health and would make our lives so much better, we probably aren't talking about it. Like, let's say vaginal rejuvenation. Well, you know what? Dr. Iris Bernstein and Nicole Hodgers with Urology Care are not only here to talk about it, but we're also inviting all of you to come learn about it in such a fun atmosphere. Ladies, thank you so much for coming here.
Thank you for having us.
Doctor, I say on the Morning Blend, we don't shy away from any topic because let's get a conversation going. I love that part of what we get to do here. First, let's start talking about Urology Care and what you guys do.
So Urology Care is a solo practice. I'm Dr. Bernstein. It's my practice. I've been in Tucson since 1999, and I've had this practice for almost 16 years. Oh. And I take care of both men and women, but we do have a focus on women's health especially, and urologically speaking. I have a couple of nurse practitioners that work with me, but we have a nice women's office.
Well, and like I said, ladies, we may not be talking about this, but you're going to introduce us to something that's going to change our lives. Tell me about this treatment.
So Votiva is a new, the newest generation for vaginal rejuvenation treatment. And so it's an office, non-surgical, pain-free treatment that really benefits women in the vaginal and genital area.
Now, first off, I love that you said pain-free, but when we're talking about if this would be good for me, what types of things does it treat?
So basically, it's a radio frequency bipolar treatment that gently heats the vaginal and the labial tissues, and with that it promotes new elastin and collagen ingrowth, so it remodels the tissues down there and promotes new blood flow and healthier tissues, more normal sensation. So it relieves discomfort and it makes the tissues healthier and stronger.
And so if you said some of the things that I made part of my life, maybe be, after like a cancer treatment, or what might get me to the point where I would need this treatment?
So what's nice about Votiva is that it helps women in all ages.
Okay.
So from having a child, and that stretches things and loosens things in the vaginal area, to women who are postmenopause or after hysterectomy. They might have some discomfort with intercourse and dryness sensation, and women after breast cancer treatment, they're not allowed to use any hormones, and with that they have very dry, uncomfortable tissues that are weaker. They can develop incontinence, some prolapse or weakness of the support down there, and so Votiva helps with all of those problems by making the tissues healthier and stronger and more vitalized and normal sensation.
So you're right, that would span a lot of different women at different ages, depending upon what that would end up. Let's talk about kind of the nuts and bolts of that. How many treatments, how long does it take?
So the treatments are very easy. It's almost could be thought of as a lunchtime treatment.
Okay.
So the treatment itself, I treat about 10 minutes inside the vaginal area and 10 minutes externally in the labia and the vulvar area. And for optimal results, 3 treatments over a course of 3 to 4 months gives the best results. And then about a year, it's often recommended to do kind of a touch-up treatment to maintain the results.
Okay, well, I love that we're answering probably a lot of questions that people have, and I think probably a big question is, what is it like after, and can we kind of get an explanation as to what it's like once you've done the treatment?
So usually I'm the person that calls the patients after their first treatment, and they're usually happy with the results. They have seen a decrease in stress incontinence, their painful intercourse is gone. It's almost like night and day that they see with these results.
So you get the happy phone call where the people are like, I'm so happy. I feel like, life, when I said life-changing, I think that that's kind of what you're hearing in that phone call, right?
Correct.
And that's what really where we're trying to get. And I did mention, Doctor, that we're going to get this conversation started in a very fun atmosphere. You guys have an event coming up.
We do, actually, on May 9th, on Wednesday evening at Reforma in St. Philip's Plaza. We're having a seminar to just educate people about the treatment so they have a better understanding of how they can benefit from it. And we have some food and drinks. It's a free event. We'll have a raffle and a discounted rate as well for that.
And so I think that, kind of what I said at the beginning, people may feel like this is a little taboo or a little stigma, like what they're going through their body. Bring your girlfriends, come do this in this kind of an atmosphere. And then what you're going to learn is your office is just as relaxing and as welcoming as well. So I think this is a great lead into that. I'm going to remind them those dates and times for that event and how to just reach our office if we have any more questions. But ladies, can I thank you so much for having this conversation with me?
Thank you.
That was wonderful. All right, everybody at home, attend the Urology Care event at Reforma Modern Mexican on Campbell Avenue. That's at St. Philip's Plaza. It's this coming Wednesday, May 9th from 6:15 to 8 at night. Register right now at urologycareaz.com or give them a call, 520-298-7200.